Poor Cinderella. Every time she'd find a minute, that's the time when they begin it. Cinderella, Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella, night and day it's Cinderella. Make the fire, fix the breakfast, wash the dishes, do the mopping, and the sweeping, and the dumping. They always keep her hopping. She'd go around in circles till she's very, very dizzy. Still they holler, keep her busy, Cinderella.
Please don't make me do any work.
The kids are getting tired. We've been cleaning the house. We're ready for our open house on April 5th and 6th, Saturday and Sunday at 136B Sandpiper Road, Unit 113. We hope to see you there, and we can tell you why our condo is better than the others.